was idling, so the keys were on the ignition. So this is what happened. It's terrible. Terrible. Look at the windows. Yeah. Look at the windows. Everything. Yeah. It's terrible. Let me just show you what they did here. This is what they did here. This sand. They filled up the engine with sand. They opened the oil lid and they filled sand inside the engine. So this engine is totally right off. Slashed all the tires for both cars. They slashed tires.
This violence is a clear indication that these are the last days of ZANU PF. Kana munhu akuda kufa unongoona nezvaanenge achingoita behavior yake so kauno kake zvekuti when that person dies everybody else will come and say anga achitoratidza kuti arikuda kufa. Was he prophesying or was she prophesying? This is what ZANU PF is doing. Whatever they are doing, it shows that they don't have direct support. Each and every vote they get or they garner is through intimidation, is through violence, is through all sorts of shenanigans. So a united citizenry will make sure that they defeat ZANU PF because tinenge tine ma clear goals and tinenge tine ma targets edu isisu. So muchadira motikari dzevanhu jecha muEngine, muchapwanya mawindscreen evanhu, mucharova vanhu, but that is not going to stop people from pursuing change because one way or the other they've been suffering and they are suffering. So let us continue to register to vote. Despite this violence yamuru kuona yanga ichiitika, let us register to vote. That is the only way to stop ZANU PF. 2023 tinogona kutoroverwa, vashoma vacho vanenge vavhotera neuzvinchamisa vanogona kutongozviroverwa izvozvo. So let us just sacrifice. Hapana kusiri kufa, and change is coming. Let us make sure that we register to vote and we vote for change in 2023.